At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, August 11, 2023, Yellow receives more bankruptcy loan offers. What's going on with shares of this turbulent trucking company? Shares of Yellow stock dipped yet again today. This came as the company laid off most of its staff and ceased daily operations. However, the company's bankruptcy negotiations are picking up, with offers to fund the business increasing. After hitting a fresh low 2 weeks ago at 43 cents per share, now defunct trucking company Yellow, Nasdaq YEL, has been on a turbulent ride. Shares of YEL stock have recovered to more than $4 per share in recent days before giving up most of those gains today. The company's valuation has taken a hit of around 11% at the time of writing as investors digest a series of announcements. Stepping back a second, Yellow officially filed for bankruptcy on Sunday, essentially laying off the entirety of its staff and ceasing operations. That's generally not a good thing and is clearly the driving force behind the recent price action we've seen in this stock, which has dipped from a monthly high of around $4.25 last week to just $1.70 at the time of writing. That said, there is some relatively decent news investors have to hang their hat on. Notably, Yellow has put together a proposal to the court that would provide $142.5 million in new cash to the company from private lender Apollo as part of the filing. As it turns out, the company appears to have a greater interest in its assets, with other financiers potentially stepping up to the plate. Thus, it was announced today that Yellow has extended its bankruptcy negotiations to next week. Let's dive into what this means for investors and what to make of this volatile stock. YEL stock drops as investors debate future of this trucking company. When Apollo stepped up with financing options to help save Yellow and potentially get the company back into operations, the market clearly cheered that move. While shareholders may be on the hook for something due to these bankruptcy proceedings, experts are calling into question the company's ability to pay back its $700 million loan from the Treasury Department. A flurry of interest around bailing out this company could be a good thing over the medium term, for investors betting on a full recovery coming out of this restructuring. Notably, the proposed loan offers from other financiers appear to be much more lucrative than the ones offered by Apollo. Notably, Yellow has stated it intends to sell all of its assets in bankruptcy, but it is feasible the company could rework its debt in a way that could allow for a potential comeback. Now, it's very clear that YEL stock is highly speculative, and this isn't a company most investors should consider. It's going under, and it is very unlikely to become the restructured better version of itself, so many think is possible. I'm of the view this will be an intriguing company to watch from here. But betting on where its stock price could be headed is far too dangerous for my blood. Thanks for watching.